Amazing transformations are happening at Camp Nou. Every corner is buzzing with activity, new installations are going up, and progress is happening every moment. Today, we'll take you on a special visual tour to see how this mega project is coming to life and when fans will be able to return in full force. Let's start with one of the busiest areas. The parking ramp is almost complete, and the zone is being leveled step by step toward its final phase. Workers moving pieces and platforms adjusting to install components. Though less central than the lateral area, the ramp is still active with installation of supports, concrete work, and preparing spaces for upcoming escalator or structural pieces. The north goal area remains quieter. Some new Louvres have been installed, and ongoing work continues on block walls, supports, and interior structures. While activity is lower than in the south goal or lateral areas, the area is steadily moving forward. Minor tasks like fencing or finishing touches on bathrooms are likely the last steps before full access can be opened. There's a possibility that for the upcoming match against Osasuna, the first and second tiers, including the supporters' stands, could be fully ready. If everything goes as planned, the stadium might reach around 62,000 spectators, bringing fans back closer to full capacity. The lateral section is the busiest spot at the stadium. New anchors and Louvres are being installed actively. Some walls behind the Louvres haven't been painted yet, which will require extra work later, but the crews are managing it. Platforms and cranes are constantly moving pieces and installing components. This area shows the fastest progress with almost continuous activity. The south goal corner is seeing solid progress. The last formwork panels were removed, revealing the fully poured cantilevered concrete. Multiple lift platforms are working on the pillars, which are built in 3 sections: bottom, middle, and top. In this area, the interior lift platforms and cranes are busy moving parts for the escalator structures. Workers are spread around, and you can see some are applying an anti-rust coating to bolts. Many brackets still need this white protective layer before being painted black. It's a lot of work, but progress is steady. The third roof cantilever is now fully installed, designed to support the upper roof and beams. Workers are securing it to the main framework while cranes and platforms position additional components. This milestone allows the next roof sections to be assembled safely, with surrounding pillars and brackets being finalized for full integration. That's all for today's update. Keep following Global Mega Builds for the latest progress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'll be back soon with more updates from Camp Nou.